Hey team, welcome to Inkjecta. My name is RJ and today we're going to run through how to install and change the cam on our Inkjecta machine. Switching out your cam to change the stroke length on your Inkjecta is a quick and easy process. Our cams have two parts, the stainless top and the brass base. Each of these have a grub screw in them. The stainless grub screw is on top, the brass grub screw is on the side. To remove a cam, just loosen the grub in the brass base and the cam will lift straight off the motor. To reinstall the cam, just place the brass base of the cam on the motor pin and tighten the grub screw. The grub screw in the stainless part of the cam secures your give bar. Loosen the grub screw and pull the give bar out to remove it. Insert your give bar and tighten the grub screw to secure the give bar again. And that's it. A quick couple of adjustments and you can change the stroke of your Inkjecta in seconds. For more information on our stroke and give systems, as well as our machines, check out our other videos. For more detailed information on all of our products, check out inkjecta.com. Until next time, have a good one.